Welcome to the Philippines, baby. I'm John.
Jen.
And we're about to have an adventure. Let's go! All right, we're back. And check out, look at this. Baby girl just lawn mowed. Well, in America, we call it weed eating because the weed eater eats all the weeds. But here, they call it lawn mowing. So they use a weed eater and a lawn mower. So that's what she did over here. And there she is right over there being an old professional at it right there. What do you think about your lawn mower, baby girl?
It's very good.
It's very good. It's nice. Not as nice as you, though, huh? Yeah. All right. So here's what we got. Yep, look at that. The Supermax. Yeah, boy. Yep, and it is on our driveway. See that? We just got a little bit more of dirt to put over there. And now let's go look inside to see what we got going on over here. Yep. We're coming up again. We did paint these. See how they stand out? If you notice that the black trim actually stands out from the wallboard. And that's the whole point about it, is that it's all going to stand out and it's going to look really good. Again, we're going to put lights underneath here. But look and see what we got going on today. See? Look at that. Yes. We're getting the electric done, dude. Yeah, you got John over here. He's doing the master box and the whole roping right now. Yep. See? They're getting it all roped up now, my brothers. See, look at that. See? Hey, all right. And we got this over here. And he's doing a really good job over here. Look at these guys. Hell yeah, boy. This is how we do it. Yes. All right. See, this is over here. The baby girl doing her job very well. What do you think, baby girl? Yes, it does. It looks nice and smooth. It's none of that jaggedy stuff right there. It's cleaner. Yep. So this is the area that we're actually going to put all of her roses over here in this area here. And then we're going to have our little pathway here. We kind of already got it somewhat there. We're going to put our little paver stone here. And then we're going to have like our roof with our solar panels. And then on the top of those solar panels, we're going to have our satellite dish from the Starlink. Now, because, you see, this is the whole open part of it all right here. This is all the open part here, see? So it's best to kind of put it right alongside of that, so when the sun comes up in the east over here, all the solar panels will get hit all day, every day. And then when it sets over here, that's still hitting the solar panels over here. So that's a good place for the solar panels. But then the Starlink, we realize that it's exactly 80 degrees straight to the north here. So it's nice here. So if we're going over there, it should be right about over here somewhere. So we should hit that. So we'll have to do that when the Starlink finally gets up in this joint over here. But yeah. We got the Supermax in the yard. We got the house being done. We got the yard being done. And we got baby girl looking so sweet as ever, my friend. Yes. Let's go take a look at that driveway that we did. All right. And here we go. All right, see that? We got another couple of dirt coming over here. We're going to put that at the fence. But look at that, how nice that is right now. Yeah, we kept running over for the last couple of weeks. And yeah, we're getting that done too. So all we need to do now is just cover this up maybe. Cover this up over here with that over here. And we should be good with the driveway as well. This is how we do it, baby.